Hello, boys. Okay na, good? Hindi mo niligod. Okay, let's try to create a... What's this? Mm, square? Yeah, let's try to create a square first. Square. Put this in the middle. Wait. Position. Absolute margin. Auto. Inset 0. Since this is a square, we use aspect ratio 1. Enlarge the size up to 250 and apply a rotation. It's a bug. Transform. Rotate 45 degrees. The color is pink, so you can change it here. Yeah, let's increase the size that would offset the screen. This isn't a perfect square. It's like a trapezoid, but yeah, ours is close to the original. So I'm not trying to create 100% here. We just want to have a close, yeah, close to the original. So yeah, next is the background. Body, background, this color, purple, and we're gonna create a cross here, a horizontal and vertical rectangle. So horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Horizontal has a width of 400 pixel, height of 50 pixel. The color or the background is black for now. And then put this in the middle. Yeah, copy these three lines here. And increase the height up to 70. No, 60. Yeah, that's perfect. And copy this horizontal since we're gonna use it in the vertical rule. Exchange or swap the value of the width and the height. This is 300 height and 60 width. Then the color is the same as the background. So like this. Yeah, this is far from the original. I know. We need a triangle here, something in front of this. One in the top and the other one is in the bottom. So yeah, another element. So let's name this try1 or triangle. To create a triangle, define the width to 0 as well as the height. And then call a border radius, border left 0, 50 pixel, solid 50 pixel transparent, transparent transparent. Copy. This is bright. And again, copy. This is bottom. The bottom, put a color here, 0. And yeah, in the center, wait. Solid 30 pixels. 30 pixels of transparent. This is wrong. Let me exchange the values. It's not showing. Wait, there's something wrong. Read height. Okay. A hex value here. Solid slide. Hmm. Oh, it's not looking good. Border left, border right, border bottom. Uh, How to? Yeah. Here. The name of the element. Okay. Copy this. Oh wait. Let's center this first. Position. Copy these 3 lines here. And instead of bottom, you say top. And pull this to the top. 0, 0, 0, 0. The first parameter is negative 200 pixel. 200 to 20. I'm taking too much time here. I know this is past 10 minutes already. The width. Let's put some width here. 20 pixel. And then the height, maybe 20 pixel as well. Oh, that's not helping any. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Then from here, we're gonna create the triangle 2 that will represent the bottom part. So copy the triangle 1, paste here, name this triangle 2, and instead of top, just say bottom. And instead of negative 250, this is positive 250. This would push the element to the bottom. And yeah, that's my not so perfect shape. Copy the color of the background, change the color of the triangle to this one, to purple. Yeah, and submit. This is not. Oh, I can't submit, sorry. This is challenge from yesterday that I missed, so yeah, you can submit it. Okay.